we'll be heading over to DebateMate for the final presentation. Let's play that now, and welcome Lee, who is from DebateMate. So let's play the presentation, and then we'll move into questions and answers from the judges and community.
It's your AI-powered debate coach. Let me introduce you how these ideas came about. First, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever want to be a debate pro or want to improve your public speaking skills? I think most of us did, but we are struggling to practice outside. At the same time, the existing platforms didn't provide real-time feedback or the AI-powered coaching to guide us effectively. So this inspired me to create DebateMate. And our vision is simple, just help users sharpen critical thinking, improve their persuasiveness skills, and practice structured debates anytime, anywhere with AI support. So our DebateMate offers 5 standout features. First one, interactive debates with AI engaged in real time. So that will add more fun when you're engaging with AI. And second, the voice mode for natural conversations. That means you can talk with our platforms just as you talk with anybody. So the third one is a live metrics that tracking clarity, logic, and persuasiveness. It can give you some insights of which metrics you should improve. And the next one is about history tracking and revive past debates. That's very helpful. And the most important things, we use the fully open source architecture. We built on the Next.js, the Taiwan CSS, and the Llama AI modes. It's all open source. Let's look at the core features. The first step, you need to choose a topic. You can choose from creative debates topics or on your own. These topics are clarified by levels. You can choose different levels of topics and can create your own. Let me create one. So it's right description. It's a new topic. We choose a level for it is an intermediate one. Save this topic. You can see the first one is what we created just now. But for demonstration, I will choose is remote work better than office work. I support office work, so which is a great con. And AI takes the opposite side and engages in the structured debate with me. So AI stance is support the remote work. You can see, unlike a simple chatbot, the DebateMate provides real-time feedback systems after each round. It scores your argument on persuasiveness, clarity, and logic. It scores your give you an overall score, and we're using progress bar, emojis, and color indicators to add more fun. Let me try this. We give it an argument and send it. You can see after I click send button, we are counting how many arguments I sent. And after we received the reply from AI, there shows how many responses we received. And this is a history. Oh, we got our answers. It usually takes less than 6 seconds. You can see we got our answers. The overall score is very good, and our persuasiveness and logic we can do it better. This is the scores based on this round debate. You can see there shows 1. That means you received 1 response. And for a more natural experience, DebateMate supports voice debate. It speaks your argument, and AI listens with whisper speech-to-text response and talks back with text. I click here, it will connect to my phone's speaker. Remote work can make it harder to separate professional and personal life. Many employees struggle with longer working hours, constant online availability, and distractions at home. In contrast, going to the office provides structures and clearer boundaries, helping people maintain a healthy work-life balance. Yeah, we send it to AI. Can see we sent 2 arguments in total. Here we are. This is the answer. You can see that means the AI listened what I said, but it's still support for the remote work from home. He give me the details of whether you have money benefits for the remote work. But you can see after the second round, the logic is not very good, so we can improve logic based on this analysis. You can improve the debate skills. Here are our histories. We also build a user system. You can sign up, track your debate history, and see progress over time. DebateMate isn't just the AI chatbot, it's an educational platform for practice public speaking, debate, and communication skills. Because it's built on open source AI models, it's transparent, free, and accessible to anyone, from students preparing for competition to professionals training for we're always looking ahead. So for DebateMate, they still have some features need to enhance. And last, thank you. And any questions?
Okay, thank you so much for the presentation, Lee. Let's hand over to the judges and the community question.
I can go first. That was a fantastic use case, Lee. Well done. And I think you focused it really, really well on one particular target market. However, I would suggest that maybe in your roadmap, think about how you can expand it out, because the way I'm looking at the tool, it's not just for debating, but any communication, feedback, and assistance tool. For example, if it can help me prepare for an interview, it can help me prepare for a negotiation with a difficult customer, help me prepare the elevator pitch to Ashton to fund my next project, probably. It can help me with all of those, because I can give the personality of the other person to it, and then I can be the negotiator on this side. So I think the application is fantastic, and it's got a wide use case for it. Well done.
Yes, definitely. Thank you, Guri. Based on what you talk about, I think yes, we can expand it for the interview to prepare for any things, and except that we can add more languages, just add more Google Translation or the API to support more languages. I think that can more target audience for us. Yeah.
Absolutely. Expanding.
I can give a really maybe futuristic feedback. I'm not sure if you have seen real-time like AI vision systems. Basically, you can just let AI see through your camera, and it basically recognized. Imagine if you can extend that for understanding the body language, because obviously when we communicate to people, whether it's in person or virtual environment like this, body language also important. Recognizing the body language based on a set data to actually represent a specific goal. It could be negotiation, it could be interview. Giving that visual and also recognizing the voice, that'd be fantastic. Imagine sort of like an AI coach looking at you, listening to your voice, looking at your body language, and it's going to give you really good feedback. How to improve, not from a voice, not from a body language point of view, but also the actual argument itself. So I think you can really extend that for a greater solutions in the future.
Thank you. That's really a good suggestions. Yeah.
Love that, Ash. That was a fantastic one.
Okay, next judge question.
So, help me understand, like, Aston made a really good point that body language analysis and all. I personally see this as preparing for anything, as Guru was saying. Uh, what's the biggest bottleneck right now you have from the tech side for this thing, and what is your tech roadmap for this?
Sorry, your question is about what's the take what? Sorry,
What's the biggest challenge tech-wise you are facing in this product?
biggest challenges, yeah. I have to say it's like the personal analyze, because after you argue with the AI, they have to be very accurate how to score your debating results. I have to say, because I based on some the persuasiveness, the logic, and they have some metrics, but it's not very accurate. I have to say, yeah. So that part is a difficult one. Yeah, still need to find the good ways to give you the good suggestions. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, any other judge questions today? All good. We've got a community question, so let's put that up on the screen for DebateMate. What future features do you want to add? Multilingual debates, community challenges, leaderboards. This is once you publish on the App Store. So this is the OpenXAI app marketplace where we will help host and list all of these applications. So yeah, let us know which features would you like to see in the near future, Lee.
I think you have already given me some good suggestions, like more things like interview or like more scenarios. The products can also use for interviewers for any other other industries like the sales or the consulting, like these things. We also can. What I'm prepared is to add the more languages, and we can create the and the users to maybe create some groups for them to join this kind of things like meetup or some things, because we have the topic. Maybe we can expand the topic to some activities or events they are interested in. They can join the chat group, or they can join the virtual debate or the virtual interviews. That can be all the different events, but it's all based on the talking. Maybe we can expand to some visual robots here to help them grow, to help them practice. Yes, that's it.
Okay, thank you so much, Lee, and wish you luck with DebateMate in the Hacknode Australia. And yeah, looking forward to seeing how you go.